Alright, today we're going to talk about reading problems relating to finances. I don't have a lot to explain on this lesson because it's pretty basic. You basically are going to read the problem. Each problem is going to have to do with money, and it's going to use the things we've learned in the last few lessons and put them into real life and story problems. We're just going to shoot two or three of them here just to see how it goes. So you're doing the odds. Let's do number 5. When Daniel reconciled his checking account, the ending balance on the statement was $675.43. There was one outstanding check, which means a check that didn't get into the bank yet, for $145.74, and one outstanding deposit, again, didn't get into the bank yet, for $75. What should his checkbook balance be? So, when on his checkbook, he should have been filing every transaction as soon as he did it. So just because it's not in the bank doesn't mean it's not in his checkbook. It should be already in his checkbook. So the bank balance showed 675.43. That was the bank's balance. But there was an outstanding check. So there's a check that didn't come into the bank yet, so it did not get taken out of here yet. But on his checkbook, it should show that it did get taken out already. So that was for $145.74, because on his it shows it was taken out already. And so 13 carry 114 carry 115 carry 176. All right. Now also there was a deposit that was not in yet, but in his checkbook he should have put it in already. That was for $75. 604.69. So even though the bank balance shows 675.43, his balance in his checkbook should show 604.69, because he already has this check taken out and he already has this deposit put in here. Alright, and yes, that is the correct answer for that one. Alright, let's do another one. We're going to do number 15, the one on property tax. So the Martins farm is assessed at $425,000 assessment. Alright, they have a tax rate of 16 mils. What is their property tax for 1 year? So if you remember how to do property tax, mils, you simply divide mils by 1,000, if I remember correctly. So you move the place 3 spaces. So you should take this times 0.016. And if you do this correctly, you should come up with $6,800. And that is their taxes on the farm at 16 mils. Whenever you're working with taxes, whatever number you have in mils, you just move the decimal point 3 places. So 16, 1, 2, 3. And take it times that. That should be easy enough. Hopefully the rest you find just as easy. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask.